Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It has been long since I posted, but now I'm here on the sensitization of the coronavirus so that we can contain this virus, and us all as a people of Kenya and the Republic in the whole world, we can contain the virus and live better afterwards. So first of all, we have been informed by the Ministry of Health and the government that we must put on mask. So on matters of mask, we have different types of mask. We have this type of mask, we have this one. So mask, you must make sure that it closes both your nose and mouth. That's this way. Now make sure you close your mouth and nose this way. Then on this, you must make sure that it is both and this way. So you are not supposed to put your mask on your chin, nor are you to put your mask on your face here. But make sure that it is supposed to protect you, your nose and mouth, so that when someone's talk, droplet does not fall on your nose or mouth, and it prevents infection. Or even you, when you talk, you protect the other person. So it is two-way traffic. You protect yourself as you protect your neighbor. Then another thing, we are also emphasized that you should keep distance. So when we are being told about distance, this at least 1 meter. This is at least 1 meter. This is at least 1 meter. So this the meter we are supposed to keep. And when we are keeping meter, we should keep meter both in front of us, back of us, right and left. So it should be around. It should be a circle of 1 meter from the next person, so that we can contain the virus. On another issue, we have been also told that we should wash your hand. How are we supposed to wash your hand? That's a simple demonstration on how we are supposed to wash your hand. Don't have water around here, but this is how we are supposed to wash your hand. We wet our hand with soap, we rub it, palm to palm, palm to the back, palm to the back. We interlock the finger, then thumb, then each of our finger, you wash them, then we rinse them with flowing clean water. Then we are containing the virus, because the virus has protein-like, and the properties of soap will break the protein membrane of the virus and make the virus ineffective. So on another issue, also being told that we should stay at home. So this one I'm going to demonstrate it live. I have 4 tissues here, and I'm going to tell you what happens when we don't stay at home. So this person A, B, C, D, E, F. So this person A is infected with the virus, and when you don't stay at home, this is what happens. Let's go. So when this person has the virus, so when he has the virus, this is what will happen if you don't stay at home. Everyone has fallen, so everyone here is infected. Let's go back and emphasize on what will happen if we stay at home. Just one person will help to flatten the curve, and this is what it means to flatten the curve. So this is it. This is it. So you have to flatten the curve, and flattening the curve means helping so that the infection does not spread. We don't have a surge of infection. You don't have a surge in patients. So this person C decides to stay at home. You see, he decides to stay at home. Then person A is infected, and the infection comes. Nothing happens. Only one. That is patient 0 and the second patient. So this is what happened. But when we all decide to stay at home and we distribute ourselves, nothing will happen. The virus will come and nothing will happen. You are all safe. Brothers and sisters, let's stay at home. Protect yourself. Protect your neighbor. Protect those you love. Protect your family. Protect the health. Protect the system. And protect the government, that we don't overuse our resources in fighting the virus, while we can contain the virus with our own means. With our own means. Stay at home. When you stay at home, the government will not spend. The government will not take you to quarantine. will not overspend. The money that's supposed to be used to do other development project, that's supposed to be given to youth, to the widows, so that we can have our own business, it's not being spent because kichwa yetu ni ngumu. We have to meditate, guys. Let's stay at home, be safe, protect those you love, so that even as youth, this is our decade. So protect yourself. Thank you.